Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can claim Emirates Skyward miles step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our Emirates platform. So if I want to claim my Emirates Skyward miles, then here I just need to go to the manage. Once I come over here, then you will find out the options. So let's find out the options here. So we will get the options in here. If we not, then we just need to go over here and find out the loyalty, and once I click over here to the loyalty, then here you will find out this one, like spend miles, then Skywards, sky surface miles calculator. From that place you will get these options. So you just need to click over here, claim miles. Once you click over here, it will redirect to you to here. So if you want to claim the miles, so here claim miles on flight-to-fly flights or claim miles for on of our partners. So you can easily claim miles from that place. Or if you are not getting the options, then you just need to go to log in your account, and then you will actually get the options to claim miles. Like let's create an account here. Just click to the login, and let's try to create an account over here. Just click over here, join now. Once I click over here, in here you just need to provide your title, password, then your preferred language, phone, mobile number, invited code, and then just click to this one. And here actually you will get from options when you claim the mile for you. So the process is you just need to go over here loyalty, and you will get the options. Then you can easily claim this one, claim miles for your login. So without login to your account, you are not allowed to claim the miles. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.